Is your computer slow for no reason? This is how to fix it. Welcome to G channel. I help you fix computer problem fast and simple. Your PC becomes slow because of startup programs. There are apps that start, but you don't stop it before, and then it starts using at any time. Each time you start up your computer, they are starting at the same time, but you are not using those applications. So the next thing, the background apps. There are some applications that you have opened and then you have not closed, and then you are no more using. That makes your computer to be slow. The third option is low storage. You may have low storage that lead to drainage of some application. That also slow your computer. Let us show how to fix it. First thing, open Task Manager. You press Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard. When the Task Manager opens, the second option enters. You will now disable startup apps. These are startup apps. Startup apps. You select on startup apps. You can now see series of applications that start immediately when the computer is turned on. And then some occupies as much as storage memory. So you just need to select one application, and then this one is already disabled, can enable or disable. We look at the application that can be disabled as this Microsoft Edge, and then let me disable. It's already disabled. Let us see the one that's enabled for us to be. Yes, this movie box client. I just have to disable it. Okay, you have seen that many of my application startup app are mostly disabled. That means my computer is fast and then it doesn't slow down. Also, restart your computer after doing this, so that you apply those configuration that you settle. And then many people forgot to do that, and that's why it still drains their or slows their computer. So if this helps you, subscribe, like, share and comment. I'll be fixing one problem every week. Thank you.